All 10 fishermen from Andhra Pradesh who were stranded off the Odisha coast after their fishing boat developed engine trouble have been rescued safely and reached Paradip harbour. Confirming the development, Andhra Pradesh Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Kinjarapu Achennaidoo said the fishermen are in good health after undergoing medical examinations. He added that they are expected to reach Visakhapatnam on July 7th. The minister said personnel from the Ichapuram police have reached Paradip to coordinate arrangements on behalf of the Andhra Pradesh government. He also assured that the government will provide all necessary assistance after the fishermen return. The rescue operation was carried out jointly by the Indian Coast Guard, Odisha Marine Police, and the Andhra Pradesh Coastal Security Police. The operation was monitored by Gopinath Jatti, Inspector General of Police, Visakhapatnam Range, who also holds the additional charge of Inspector General, Coastal Security Police. He appreciated the coordinated rescue effort and commended Ichapuram Inspector M. Chinnam Naidu for his role in ensuring the fishermen's safe rescue.